Good evening, sir. Good evening.
Yes, good evening, everyone.
Good evening, sir.
Sir, can we discuss my doubt at the last 10 minutes?
Good evening. Just a minute. Yes. What we are going to discuss today? Actually, now we are going to start
Tell me
with
about quiz today.
our term 2 syllabus. We are
So
going to
you
start
got,
with our term 2 syllabus. Just a
so
minute.
you told me quiz, right?
Yes, I
Yeah,
got
sir, you
it.
told it today.
Tell me yes.
So term 2 syllabus you can start at October, right, sir? So can we discuss my doubt at the end?
Yes, definitely we'll discuss. And how many you want me to start term 2 and how many you want me to revise? Tell me. Revise.
Sir, revise
Sir,
because
revise.
I haven't started my exams, so that's why.
Yes, even my exams are half field exams are starting from 21st.
Mine from 20.
Sorry, what? I need a see those who want to revise, please raise your hands.
Sir, revise.
Sir, I cannot see the raise hand option.
Please, no, look at this here. I'm asking the question. Please, you just respond to that. Raise your hands, those who want me to revise.
Sir, there's no raise hand option, sir. I can't see where it is. I cannot.
Go to reactions.
Oh, reactions. Yeah.
What about others?
Sir, your voice is very low for me.
Yeah, sir, it's pretty low.
Yes, sir, it's low.
Now, can you hear me?
Yes, sir, it's fine.
Sir, no change actually.
Yeah, sir, there is no change.
Sir, but here it is fine.
I think people.
Yes, sir, now it's fine.
What about others? I'm asking.
Sir, can you repeat the question?
Huh?
Sir, we are asking sir to revise the chapters, but sir is saying you will start term 2, so he told revise means raise your hand if you want revise means. If you want revision again. Which
Those who want to revise term one again, they should raise their hand.
for term 1 only. For term 1 only. Oh, okay, sir. Yes, sir.
Tell me.
Sir, out of 15, 10 wants revision.
Out of 15, 10 wants revision.
There are 11, sir, now. Still 4 members are there. Akshit, Divika, and Chaitanya and Saksh.
Okay, so everyone wants revision. So yes, today I'll go for the revision.
Sir,
And,
can we discuss my doubt at the end?
definitely, definitely. Please.
Sir, can we have triangles revision?
What were the options?
So we cannot go like half off. We just want to finish. We in last class we have solved polynomials questions, right?
Like, we won't be a quiz.
There will be a. So I'll conduct the quiz. Don't worry.
Sir, we can do it in on lines and angles, right, sir?
So quiz you want me to conduct lines and angles?
Yes, sir.
Revision, sir.
So you can conduct quiz on that also.
Sorry.
Yes, sir.
You
Conduct
can
a quiz on what?
yes, on lines and angles.
Yes, definitely.
Sir, but in my exam, nothing.
In your exam.
Nothing, sir.
Yes. Okay. Chalo, let us discuss that. Yes, in lines and angles, look at this here.
Sir, you haven't shared your screen.
Yes. Just look at this. In lines and angles, basically lines and angles chapter is from geometry, isn't it? Lines and
Yes, sir.
angles is a chapter from the geometry. Yes, you can down your hands now. Lines and angles. Guys, basically I'm not going to teach very deeply. We'll solve the questions if you want. Okay. Revision means like first we'll have quick revision, then we'll go for the question. So basically we just learned first we have learned what angles. What do you mean by line? Basically line, what do you mean by line? In lines, what you have
A
learned
line which does not have any end point and starting point, it extends so much.
It
Oh, with
extends
what?
from both the sides.
Both the sides.
Okay, so basically look at this here, parallel lines. We have learnt about parallel lines. Everyone knows that these are parallel lines. If I just draw like this is this is called as a transversal line, isn't it? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? So let us say this is a line, this is a B line, this is a transversal line which is called C. Very simple. Now look at this here. Basically now here I can just draw the angles. We'll be having angle. Look at this here. Let me draw it somewhat neatly. देखो मेरे पास ऐसा दो लाइन है, ठीक है? And I have this line, transversal line. Let us say this angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, angle 4. Let us say this is angle 5, 6, 7, 8. Let us say this is my line A, line B, transversal C. Okay. So what I'm trying to ask here, look at this, A and B are parallel lines and one line passes through that particular two parallel lines is called as transversal line. So here क्या क्या होता है, देखो angle 1 is equal to 5, ये तो पता है,
Yeah, so corresponding angle.
corresponding angle,
Corresponding.
and look at this, 2 is equal to 6, yes or
Yes,
no?
sir. Yes,
Angle
sir.
4,
That's the corresponding angle.
Four is
angle 4
equals.
is equal to angle 8,
Corresponding angle.
3 is equal to angle 7.
So 3 is equal to 6 also. Interior angle.
ठीक है? Yes. Basically these are corresponding angles. What are these? These
Corresponding
are
angle.
corresponding angles. Everyone should listen the class carefully. I request everyone to join to the listening section properly. Yes. Next, look at this here. What about others? What other angle? Look at this angle 3 and angle 5. Angle 3 and 5 are what?
Alternate interior angle.
Alternate interior.
So the sum will be equal to 180.
Alternate interior angles.
And 4
And angle 4 is equal to angle 6.
and 6.
This is also
Yes.
alternate interior angles only. Okay. So what else here?
Yes, sir.
And I could say that 1 and 7. Angle 1 and 7 are what? देखो angle 1
Alternate exterior angle.
and 1 and 7 are equal, and 2 and 8. These are what?
2 and 8.
Alternate
Alternate exterior angle.
exterior angles. ठीक है? So these are the basic knowledge you must know. ये आपको पता होना चाहिए, ठीक है? आया समझ इधर? Alternate interior angles are equal, corresponding angles are equal, alternate exterior angles also will be equal.
Vertically opposite angles are also equal.
ये तो आपको समझ में आना चाहिए, ठीक है? नेक्स्ट, सी अगर दो लाइन पैरेलल है, 1 second. Yes. हाँ, नेक्स्ट दीज आर द लाइंस, इससे ज्यादा कुछ जानने का जरूरत नहीं है इधर। अभी देखो, नेक्स्ट विल टॉक अबाउट एंगल। एंगल, ये लाइन वी हैव डन एंगल, बेसिकली एंगल्स एंड टाइप्स ऑफ एंगल्स वी हैव लर्नड, ठीक है। तो बेसिकली एंगल्स एंड टाइप्स ऑफ एंगल्स में व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय दिस? देखो, ये एक पॉइंट है, फ्रॉम वन पॉइंट इफ टू लाइन्स आर ऑरिजिनेटिंग, ये एक लाइन, ये एक लाइन, सो इधर जो बनता है इसको बोलते हैं एंगल। आया समझ? एंगल बेसिक डेफिनेशन क्या होता है? बेसिक डेफिनेशन इज व्हाट? व्हेन टू रेस, दिस आर रे हियर, व्हेन दिस टू रेस originating from the same point at two different directions. अगर two rays are originating from the same point in a two different directions, because this is a point, from the same point इधर एक ray जा रहा है and this is one ray is going in two different directions, two rays are going. So whatever the angle you make, this is what called as angle here. This is what angle, this is how the angle forms. If this, look at this now, look at this, a rays. This rays can be called also sides, and this point is called as what? Vertex. This point को बोलता है vertex, and this rays को बोलता है हम लोग sides और arms. Arms भी बोल सकते हैं, ठीक है, arms. आया समझ? This is
Yes,
what
sir.
Yes, sir.
basic understanding. आया समझ?
Yes,
arms
sir, understood.
and हाँ, वेरी सिंपल। ये तो मुझे ज़्यादा बात करना, लाइक आपको ज़्यादा, लाइक ऑलरेडी वी हैव लर्नड ऑल दिस, सो आई डोंट वांट टू टॉक मच अबाउट दिस नाउ अगेन। सो हम लोग क्वेश्चन सॉल्व कर, देखो टाइप्स ऑफ एंगल्स में देखेंगे तो मेरे पास राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल एक है। राइट एंगल, राइट एंगल मतलब देखो कोई भी एंगल ले लो, लेट अस से एंगल
90
थीटा
degree.
और एंगल ए विच इज इक्वल टू 90 डिग्रीज, ठीक है। एंगल, राइट एंगल, आई एम जस्ट नो लुक एट दिस, राइट एंगल का मतलब होता है 90 डिग्रीज, लेट अस से दिस ए साइड विच मेक्स 90 डिग्रीज, ये होता है राइट एंगल। नेक्स्ट होता है हमारा क्या एंगल है?
Acute angle.
एक्यूट एंगल है, एक्यूट एंगल है। एंगल, लेट अस से एंगल ए इज देयर, एंगल लाइज बिटवीन 0 से 90 डिग्रीज, ठीक है। एंड ऑब्ट्यूज एंगल क्या होता है?
More than 90 degree,
ये
less than
एंगल होता है,
180
ये
degree,
मोर देन 90 होना चाहिए,
and less than 180 degree.
हाँ लेस देन 180, ठीक है, सही है।
Yes, sir.
नेक्स्ट स्ट्रेट एंगल, अगर ये है हमारे पास स्ट्रेट एंगल, ये कितना होता है? पेयर ऑफ लीनियर,
180 degree.
लीनियर पेयर, इसको बोलता है स्ट्रेट एंगल।
180 degree.
स्ट्रेट एंगल ए इज इक्वल टू कुछ भी ले लो 180 डिग्री, ठीक है। अंडरस्टैंड
Reflex,
चिल्ड्रन?
reflex angle and
Yes, sir.
अगर
complete
रिफ्लेक्स एंगल, इफ
angle.
आई टॉक अबाउट रिफ्लेक्स एंगल, कितना होता है रिफ्लेक्स एंगल?
More than 180 degree,
More
less
than
than
180, less
360
than
degree.
360.
रिफ्लेक्स एंगल शुड बी लेस
More
देन
than
180 डिग्रीज, मोर देन 360 डिग्रीज।
Sir, what I
Sir, less
saying?
लेस देन,
More than
लेस
180,
देन
less
360,
than
मोर
this.
देन 180, ठीक है।
Yes.
हाँ,
Yes.
अगर
Sir, and
मेरे पास,
complete angle.
हाँ अगर मेरे पास ये है, मेरे पास ये है कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री एंगल्स। कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री एंगल का मतलब होता है
Sum of all the angles will be 90 degree.
सम ऑफ ऑल एंगल्स, सम ऑफ ऑल एंगल्स इज इक्वल टू 90 डिग्रीज, ठीक है। मेरे पास और एक एंगल होता है सप्लीमेंट्री एंगल, क्या होता है वो?
Supplement.
सप्लीमेंट्री एंगल, सम ऑफ ऑल एंगल्स इज इक्वल टू क्या होता है? 180 डिग्रीज। दिस इज व्हाट द बेसिक इंफॉर्मेशन मेरे पास, टाइप्स ऑफ एंगल, दिस इज व्हाट वी हैव लर्न। राइट एंगल, एक्यूट एंगल, ऑब्ट्यूज एंगल, स्ट्रेट एंगल, रिफ्लेक्स एंगल, ठीक है। यस, एनी डाउट्स हियर?
No, sir, no doubt.
हाँ, हम and still what we have learned here, intersecting, just this is short notes I would say, intersecting lines and non-intersecting lines। intersecting line का मतलब क्या होता है? intersecting and non-intersecting lines, intersecting and non-intersecting line का मतलब होता है What do you mean by intersecting? When two lines meet at a point. Let us say this is a line and this is a line. This is also line. So these two lines are meeting at this point. This is what called as intersecting point. Aya samajh? And now look at this. If I talk about non-intersecting line means
It's a parallel line.
parallel line. Look at the parallel line. This is a parallel line. Two lines are parallel. Okay? Parallel. Parallel lines are non okay. Next.
Yes, sir.
And what we have spoken about adjacent angle. What do you mean by adjacent angle?
The side by side angle.
Two angles as
Very good. एडजेसेंट एंगल का मतलब साइड बाय साइड एंगल जो होता है उनको बोलता है. देखो अगर कोई भी एक एग्जांपल ले लो, हमारा ये लाइन दोनों है, ठीक है, अनेक लाइन पास कर रहा है, ये होगा मेरा एंगल ए एंड एंगल बी. हियर एंगल ए एंड बी आर व्हाट? दीस टू आर फ्रेमिंग फ्रॉम द सेम पॉइंट.
180
हाँ ठीक है. ए हाउ 180 डिग्रीज मैन? टू एंगल्स आर एडजेसेंट. लुक एट हियर एंगल ए हियर, देखो एंगल ए एंड एंगल बी आर adjacent angles. So when you call these two angles as adjacent angles, if they have same vertex,
and same arms, right?
yes, same vertex, and they should have one common point. Look at this, just same. देखो मेरे पास क्या है? The same. This is same vertex, right? Say from the same vertex, I'm just getting two angles which are A and B. So here A and B are what? Adjacent angles. I hope it is clear with everyone. आया समझ में?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Very simple.
Sir,
Next.
angle A plus angle B is equal to 180 degrees only, right, sir?
That is different. That is different, man. Wait. Why?
Okay, sir.
Let me teach, or will you be able to teach? I'll make sure. Strain, I'll listen, you teach.
Sir, means doubts.
I'll clear each and everything. We'll discuss everything. Don't worry. Okay? Next, linear pair. I'm coming to that only next. Linear pair. Linear pair. Linear pair का मतलब क्या होता है? When two adjacent angles are supplementary. When two adjacent angles are supplementary. When two adjacent angles are supplementary, which means they form a straight. Look at this. Whenever two adjacent angles are supplementary, that is उसको बोलता है linear pair. Linear pair का मतलब क्या होता है? Sum of angles supposed to be what?
180 degree.
180 degrees, which means supplementary. Supplementary का मतलब क्या होता है? Complementary मतलब 90 होता है, supplementary मतलब 180 होता है. ठीक है? Whenever you are adding two adjacent angles, देखो हमारे पास एक लाइन है, ठीक है, दिस इज अ फ्रेमिंग अ लाइन हियर, लेट्स से दिस एंगल ए, दिस इज एंगल बी, ठीक है, हियर एंगल ए प्लस एंगल बी क्या होना चाहिए? बराबर 180 डिग्री होना चाहिए. ठीक है. सो दिस इज व्हाट हियर ए प्लस बी कॉल्ड एज व्हाट? ए प्लस बी मेक्स मी, ए प्लस बी गिव्स यू व्हाट? लीनियर पेयर. ठीक है. when a plus b gives you what? 180 degrees. So what do you mean by linear pair here? When two adjacent angles, here a and b are adjacent angles, which means these two are, look at this here, these two angles are forming from the same common point. देखो same vertex है मेरे पास, common vertex है, with that same common vertex I'm just getting two angles which are a and b. So if I add those two angles, sum of these two angles I'm getting 180 degrees, which means supplementary. इसी को बोलता है linear pair. आया समझ? Getting my point, Shreyan ji? Shreyan, I hope it is clear now. Shreyan? He is not in the meeting.
Sir, he is in the meeting.
Okay. Shreyan, are you here? Next. Vertically opposite angles. vertically opposite angles. What we have learned here, when two lines intersect at a point, when two lines intersect at a point, they form equal angles that are vertically opposite to
On his head, it has a crown at Himalaya.
vertical opposite. Who's that? Unmute yourself. Mute yourself. See, when two lines are intersecting at a point, they form equal angles that are vertically opposite. Look at this here. When two lines, this is a line here. These are two lines. One transversal line is there. Here, intersecting point is here. Intersecting point is here. आया समझ?
Yes, sir.
हाँ. Basically, here guys, look at this here. Here we just learned perpendicular lines, parallel lines. First you need to understand because perpendicular line, parallel lines आपको समझ में आया होगा. Perpendicular का मतलब ये होता है. Everyone knows this, right? We didn't discuss perpendicular lines here. Whenever your two lines are intersecting at a point and making 90 degrees exactly. Parallel lines मतलब this is transversal line मतलब देखो ये transversal हो गया. Look at this, transversal line can pass through any two lines. For passing a transversal line, the two lines need not to be a parallel line. If they are non-parallel, also transversal line is a possible. Look at this here. This is a transversal line. These two lines are non-parallel here. इसके साथ भी parallel transversal line हो सकता है. आया समझ? Getting my point?
But sir, the angles won't be like same properties, right?
Yes, angle won't be same property. That will be different. हाँ. आ रहा है समझ में? Getting my point here. Next, complementary
Yes, sir.
angles we have learned. Supplementary angles का मतलब क्या होता है? Supplementary angles का मतलब होता है whenever sum of two angles supposed to be 180 degrees. देखो अगर ये मेरे पास है दोनों एंगल क्या होना चाहिए? Let us say this is intersecting at some point. This angle A plus B क्या होना चाहिए? 180 degrees. And complementary angles क्या होता है? Sum of two angles. Angle A, angle B. Here A plus B क्या होना चाहिए? 90 degrees होना चाहिए. This is मेरा supplementary हो गया. तेरा मेरा complementary हो गया. ये supplementary, complementary. ठीक है? I'm just drawing diagrams and just showing you how it forms. Next, adjacent angles done. Vertically opposite angle. देखो vertically opposite angle अच्छे से समझते हैं अभी. Vertically opposite angle में क्या होता है? देखो एक दो लाइन है, ठीक है? These two lines are forming like intersecting at a point. ठीक है? This is a point. At this point, these two lines are intersecting. Let us say this is कोई line ले लो. This is A line, AB line. This is CD line. ठीक है? This is the point of intersection called O. देखो ये लाइन और ये लाइन दोनों है ना, ये दो इक्वल है, वर्टिकली अपोजिट. और ये एंगल है, ये एंगल है ना, ये दोनों बराबर है. ठीक है? आ रहा है समझ में? सो हियर लेट अस से दिस इज एंगल 1, एंगल 2 बराबर के साथ, एंगल 3 एंगल 4 के बराबर से. दिस इज व्हाट हियर यू कैन जस्ट अंडरस्टैंड. एंगल 1 इज इक्वल टू एंगल 2, एंगल 3 इज इक्वल टू एंगल 4 आर इक्वल. आया समझ? एनी डाउट्स?
No doubt, sir.
No doubt, sir.
So basically angle, types of angles we have learned. What are the types of lines we have? Parallel lines, horizontal lines, vertical lines, perpendicular lines. So these are the types of lines. So yes, next these are the concepts which we need to now. Basic properties. Yes, this is what we have learned from lines and angles. Any doubts here?
No, sir, no
Children, any
doubt.
doubts? Children,
No, sir. No, sir,
No
no
doubt,
doubt.
sir.
I need a response from each and everyone.
No doubt, sir.
No doubt, sir.
देखो टाइप्स ऑफ एंगल्स मैंने बताया था आपको, डायग्रामेटिकली विल लर्न. देखो ऐसा बनेगी ये तो लेस देन 90. ये मेरा क्या, विच एंगल दिस इज एक्यूट एंगल. ठीक है. इफ आई फॉर्म अ डायग्राम, दिस इज अ राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल. अरे यार एक मिनट. जो थीटा है ना, थीटा आई एम जस्ट डिनोटिंग विद एक्यूट. And if I just make a exact 90 degrees here, this is what my right angle. ठीक है. तो if I obtuse angle का मतलब क्या होता है?
More than 90 degree, less than 180 degree.
More than 90, less than 180. ये होता है obtuse. स्ट्रेट एंगल का मतलब लीनियर पेयर. देखो ऐसा होता है स्ट्रेट एंगल. एंड देखो रिफ्लेक्स एंगल का डायग्राम ऐसा हो सकता है. देखो इट शुड बी मोर देन 180, लेस देन 360. ये रिफ्लेक्स एंगल. दिस इज माय स्ट्रेट एंगल. दिस इज माय, अरे यार एक मिनट. दिस इज माय रिफ्लेक्स एंगल. ठीक है. आई होप इट इज क्लियर विथ एवरीवन. एंड कंप्लीट एंगल का मतलब क्या होता है? कंप्लीट एंगल देखो, वी हैव वन मोर टाइप ऑफ एंगल. देखो इफ आई हैव समथिंग लाइक दिस, इफ आई मेक फुल एंगल, दिस इज को इसको बोलता है कंप्लीट एंगल और फुल एंगल.
360 degree.
आया समझ? और फुल एंगल.
Yes, sir, understood.
वेरी सिंपल. नाउ if I talk about positive negative angle, positive negative angles का मतलब क्या होता है? बताइए. Positive angle and negative angle. Whenever like sometimes you might be getting to know that.
Sir,
Positive
like
angle.
reflex angles are negative. Reflex and complete angles are negative, and the other angles are positive.
Reflex angle is a, see here, the angle whichever you are measuring in the anti-clockwise direction, वो होता है पॉजिटिव एंगल. ठीक है. देखो एग्जांपल देखो. यस, व्हाटएवर यू सेड एग्जांपल दैट इज राइट ओनली. सी हियर देखो, ये होता है हमारा पॉजिटिव एंगल. अरे भाई ये राइट. ये मेरा पॉजिटिव एंगल है. ठीक है. व्हाट इज द नेगेटिव एंगल? नेगेटिव एंगल इज व्हाट? देखो मेरे पास कोई भी ऐसा एंगल है नीचे. इफ आई एम मेकिंग माय,
Sir, your voice is breaking.
see what I'm trying to say here is positive angle is nothing but whenever you measure an angle in anti-clockwise direction, measuring in anti-clockwise direction, anti-clockwise anti-clockwise direction. This is clockwise direction. ठीक है. So whenever you measure an angle in a clockwise direction, that is negative angle. Whenever you measure an angle anti-clockwise, that is what? That is what? Negative angle. आया समझ? So basically, what are the parts of angles here? What are the parts? Like, you know, you will be having sides, you will be having arms, you will be having, you know, vertex. That is the parts. Chalo, next now, this is the basic concept of your angles. Any doubts here? Any doubts? Tell me.
No doubt, sir.
Shall we go for the, you know, quiz? You want me to conduct a quiz?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So can I first explain my doubt, please?
Yes, definitely.
So, like, if you have clarified the doubts, can you please clarify my doubt also?
Yes, sure. Which one? Whose doubt is it? Someone has
The Piyush.
WhatsApp.
Yes, sir, me Piyush.
If square root of 18 plus 3 into square
So
root
like
of
you can just snip it off, right? And just paste it here. Will be better.
yes. But you know, anyhow, I have to open the WhatsApp again. Why? Divided by this one plus square root of 81 by 2 half square root of 36 minus square root of 8 is equal to a plus b by root 2. Then find the value of a minus b by a plus b is equal to dash. Okay. So first, what we have to find out here, a and b value. Okay. So how can I find it? First, according to Board-Mass rule. Follow the Board-Mass rule. Board-Mass rule is nothing but what? Board-Mass rule is equal to what? First bracket part, after that half, after that division. Look at this, we have half here. Okay. So first we need to solve half.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Look at this here. Square root of 8. Remaining part, it should be as it is. See guys, Piyush is asking that out is nothing but no one should listen it. Everyone should listen. It is helpful for everyone. Okay. Plus here half part we have to discuss. So here 9 by root 2, isn't it? Yes or no?
Plus 9 by root 2.
Half 6. Yes or no?
Yes, sir. 6 minus 2 root 2.
Minus 2
Root 2.
root 2. Yes. Next division part. Next division part. Next division part. How can you? So you have to divide. You have to just solve this one now. आया समझ में?
Yes, sir. But after solving it, I'm not getting the answer there.
What you are getting? Sorry, can't hear you.
Sir, after solving, I'm not getting the values of A and B properly.
That's what I'm asking. What you are getting?
So one minute, I'm just checking it. Yes, sir. So I got the value for A as 1 by 2 and B as 5 root 4.
Okay.
That's like completely different.
I didn't get you. What you are saying? Can you please repeat again?
I know, sir. Like I'm not getting the proper values for A and B.
You're getting the proper value. Okay. So basically, what you have
They're
to do?
not getting the proper value.
Okay. Okay. See here. Let's see. Let's see. So here, square root of 36 is what? Whether it is a plus 6 or minus 6. Look
So
at
I
it.
guess it's plus 6.
This gives me 6. This gives me minus 6. Okay. So now look at this here. Can I write square root of 36 as square root of 6 square or minus 6 whole square? Both are correct only, no?
Yes, sir.
Huh? Okay. So first let us take plus only. So first I have solved half. After this one I have solved a plus b by root 2. Okay.
Yes, sir. So first we should take this root 18 into root 27 whole by root 12, right?
No. Basically, board mass rule is nothing but what first half after division. Division किसके this दोनों के साथ है ना, तो first we'll solve these two now. तो
Yes, sir. That's what I'm saying.
into root 27 is nothing but what 9 root 3. So not 9, 3 root 3. 3 root 3. Yes or no?
Yes, sir. So then similarly we can write it as 3 root 2 into 3 root 3, right? For root 18, 3 root 2.
Yes, we can write. Please, 1 second. So root 12 can be written as what? 2 root 3.
Yes,
or
sir.
no? So 3 root 3 divided by 2 root 3. So I'll be getting cancelled. So simply I'll be remaining with what? 3 by 2. Plus here what can I write here? 9 by root 3. 9 of root 3 minus 2 root 2. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
2 3s, I'm just cancelling root 2 there. Sorry, here, so 2 root 3 you will get here. Then 18 root 3. Here, what I'm trying to say here is, look at this, 6 can be written as root 2 into root 2 into root 3. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Or else you simply write 6 can be written as 2 into 3, right? 2 can be written as root 2 into root 2. So root 2, 3. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Why? Because I'm cancelling here. So 9 by root 2, 6 can be written as, look at this Piyush, 2 into 3. Here 2 root 2 will be getting cancelled, means I'll be remaining with the 2 root 2 here. Yes or no?
Sir, I didn't understand how we can cancel the root 2 part, sir.
See here. 9 by root 2 we have, isn't it? 6 can be written
Yes,
as
sir.
2 into 3. Okay? So
Yes, sir.
9 by root 2. 2 can be written as again root 2 into root 2.
Yes, sir. Okay, yeah, now understood.
सिंपल है ना. हाँ देखो, इज इक्वल a प्लस बी बाई रूट 2. आया समझ? तो इधर मुझे क्या बचेगा? इधर रूट 18 कैन बी रिटन एज व्हाट? 3 रूट 2.
Yes, sir.
3 root 2 into 3 by 2 plus here 27 root 2 minus 2 root 2 is equal to a plus b by root 2. ठीक है? Any doubts?
Yes, sir. No doubt, sir.
Now here again 3 root 2 into 3 by root 2 into root 2. Can I write here? Root 2 will be getting cancelled. 3 is 9, 9 by root 2. Here 9 by root 2.
Yes,
or
sir.
no?
Yes, sir.
So how do you get 9 by root 2?
Multiplication. Okay. So here plus 25 minus root 2.
No, sir, still didn't get. How did you get 9 by root 2?
Sorry,
Is
How
there in
did
the
you get
left
9
side?
by
there?
root 2?
9 by root 2 है.
Yes, sir,
why?
like 3 root 2 into 3 by 2 is the 9 by
9
root 2.
no.
Yes, sir, then how did you get root 2 in the denominator?
Do you know how to simplify that? Look at this. इधर देखो, जिस दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो मुझे क्या मिलेगा? 3 root 2 as it is I'm writing. 3 as it is I'm writing. Root 2 can be written as this into this man. अरे इतना सिंपल सा है भाई, ये नहीं समझ में आ रहा है आपको? Clear now?
Yes, sir.
This 2 can be written as root 2 into root 2. ये दोनों कैंसिल हो जाएगा. 3 3 is 9. 9 by root 2 बेटा. आया समझ?
Yes, sir.
हाँ, देखो अभी इधर क्या मिलेगा मुझे? 25 root 2. ठीक है? So he is asking for what? A value and B value, right? Let me open the question.
Yes, sir. First A and B value, then A plus B and A minus B value.
It's telling then A is 25 and B is 9.
Yes, sir.
Sorry.
Sir, then A is 25 and B is 9.
Sir, A is 25 root 2, sir.
You are comparing these two.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
like
sir.
like terms you are comparing.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
हाँ, तो अगर आपके पास A is equal to 25 root 2,
Yes, sir. And B is equal to 9.
let us see, B is equal to 9. ठीक है, अगर इधर देखो, he is asking for A plus B by A minus B. So 25 root 2 plus 9
Sir,
divided
it's
by
the opposite.
minus 9. इसको क्या
Sir, it's
करेंगे?
the opposite.
हाँ, अच्छा,
Sir, it's the
wrote,
opposite.
अच्छा,
A minus B by A plus B.
my bad, sorry. तो देखो 25 root 2 minus 9 divided by 25 root 2 plus 9. इसको फैक्टराइज करेंगे तो क्या मिलेगा? 25 root 2 minus 9 divided by 25 root 2 minus 9. ठीक है, तो
Yes, sir.
25 root 2 minus 9 whole square. एक मिनट guys, solve this remaining thing. You solve 1 second.
Yes, I'm just solving it from here. Sir, in the book, actually, the answer for A is A plus B by root 2 is 59 by root 2, sir.
And sir, by solving it, I'm getting 131 by minus 225 root 2 by 1169.
Yes, sir. So there's some mistake somewhere.
Yes, guys, done. A square. So
Sir, I'm getting the
Sir,
answer as
the
1250 minus 9 means 81, minus 2 A B by, तो इधर क्या मिलेगा मुझे? 625 to 1250 minus 81. ठीक है, how many have you got this?
So the thing is like the answer in the book, according to the book explanation, it is 59 by root 2. A plus B root 2.
59 by root 2. Then we made some mistake.
Yes, sir.
No, look at this here. I think we cannot compare. 1 second. अरे यार ये क्या हो गया? 1 second चलो 1 second. पेन तो फिर से शुरू हो
Sir,
गया.
actually 12 should be divided whole, both by root 18 and root 27, both.
12?
Sir, 12 should be divided by both root 18 and 27.
Your voice is breaking. Tell me.
Sir, can you scroll up a bit? Very top, like the first step. Whole 18 into 27 whole by root 12 it should be, sir.
Sorry, 18.
Sir, the 6 is there, right?
Huh?
The 6 should be like multiplied by all of them, sir.
Which 6 you're talking about?
So like after 9 by root 2, there's 6, right?
Okay, okay,
Yes,
yeah.
sir.
So this should be multiplied by
Complete thing.
It's a complete thing.
complete one.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Like
sir.
it is showing that we'll get the answer as 9 by root 2 plus 54 by root 2 minus 2
should
root
we,
2.
why should we multiply no 6 with full thing?
That's given off, right?
Yeah, that's given half. You're right. No, what I'm trying to say, if the question is correct, whatever I wrote here, this fully half this full, no. Okay, or else we do one thing. You might have divided like this. Look at this here. Here I got it. This one half this one answer minus root 8. Clear?
So or else I think 6 minus 2 root 2 into complete thing.
Huh?
So shouldn't it be 6 minus 2 root 2 into the complete thing?
Yeah.
6 minus 2 root 2.
हाँ, this also बनता है. First, basically, you have to solve half. Then you should have given the इधर ऐसा दिया है. देखो एक बार, अगर आपके पास ये है कुछ भी. This one, if I have something like this half, this one, then I would have just made this 2 minus this one. Then whatever you told that is right, Piyush. ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
Very simple. Look at this here. You just solve this completely half this one. After solving this full part, multiply with the 6. Let's see what you get here. Solve this again. Solve this again. You just tell me the answer in next class. I hope you understood it now. आपको नहीं समझ में आ रहा है तो मुझे टेक्स्ट कीजिए व्हाट्सएप पे फिर से, ठीक है?
Okay, sir. I'll try it again.
You try it
I
again.
tried like 5 to 6 times, sir. That's
Yes.
why I posted.
No. You will get it. You will get it. You try this way. What are the pauses? You just try in 2 ways. Look at this full calculation of 6. Total answer minus 8. ठीक है? Minus root 8. And
Yes, sir.
this answer into this answer. ठीक है? दोनों multiply कीजिए. This is also one possibility. You can just do that.
So there's another possibility of taking minus 6, right? Instead of 6.
Yes, you can take that.
Yes, sir. So, sir, here, how do we know that it is plus 6 or minus 6? Like, how do we get it to know it in other questions
Basically,
also?
that should be plus or minus 6 only. But I think somewhere wrong in the question.
No, sir. I mean, like, how do we know that it's plus 6 or minus 6?
You can write plus or minus 6 only. We cannot, the answer itself plus or minus 6. You understand? There
Okay,
is
sir. So we have to verify it.
Trial and error only. Plus 6 minus 6. So there is no one answer that we have to write plus 6 minus 6 only. I took for like trial and error method. I took plus first then minus. ठीक है? प्लस लेंगे तो
Okay, sir.
मैंने आंसर नहीं मिल रहा है मुझे, तो माइनस लेके देखेंगे एक बार, फिर से ट्राई करेंगे. ठीक है? अगर
Okay, sir.
if you take minus 6 and just see whatever the answer you are getting, what answer you are getting, you just take it out and just let me know. ठीक है? Next, this guy has posted a message. 1 second. Each equal sides of isosceles triangle.
I have posted it, sir.
1 minute. 1 minute. Who is that? The question is each equal sides each equal sides. अरे भाई ये तो, can you see whatever I'm writing?
So
Hello?
only your written question, sir.
Can you see what now I'm writing?
Yes, yes, sir. So now you're writing nothing.
I'm writing. एक minute.
So today also you will not have quiz.
I think, see, we are completely, engaged with this, so no problem. We'll discuss in next class. I mean, like, quiz and all we'll just conduct in next class, no problem. Yes.
So if you're writing something, I can't see anything.
No. देखो भाई. एक मिनट.
Sir, I posted my doubt on WhatsApp also.
Now can you see, beta? Hello.
So nothing, sir. Yes, sir.
हाँ. See, कोई
You have
भी
drawn some term.
देखो, कोई भी एक ट्रायंगल ले लो ABC. ये क्या है? आइसोसेलेस ट्रायंगल दिया है ना. देखो ये दोनों एक को है, ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
देखो AB एंड AC कितना दिया है? 20 दिया है ना. 20 सेंटीमीटर, ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
हेलो.
Yes, sir.
And what he has given again? What is the
You have to
semi-perimeter?
find the same.
Huh?
You have to find a semi-perimeter.
हाँ, semi-perimeter देखो बेटा. In that case, you need to take this as hypotenuse. Semi-perimeter मतलब देखो हमारा अभी as per the hypotenuse BC क्या होगा इधर? BC is equal hypotenuse.
So how do we know that? Like BC may be 10 centimeter also, right?
Yes. Look at this. He is talking about what is this? He's talking about what? Semi-perimeter, right? Semi-perimeter का मतलब क्या होता है? Sum of all sides by 2, right?
Yes, sir.
Sir, but we don't know whether angle A is 90 degrees or not, right?
Yes. Look at this here. Now, how can you find out BC here? I know two sides. And how can you find out BC? Isn't it? So for finding BC, if I consider BC as hypotenuse, so BC square, BC is
So, but this isn't a right angle
right angle
triangle.
triangle.
So,
Then
how
what-
can you consider it as a hypotenuse?
Yes, sir. Because BC may be 10 centimeter.
देखो भाई, अरे यार, this is the right angle. Isosceles right angle he has given. Look at the question. Yes, this is the isosceles right angle triangle. ठीक है, आया समझ? That is one of the reason I'm just going for that. आया?
So, but okay, yes, Ansh.
He has given isosceles two sides will be equal and right angle triangle. So it's a right angle triangle only.
I'm not seeing this.
ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
देखो इधर 400.
Oh, I didn't
Yes,
see
sir.
this right handed.
Root 2 here.
So BC is equal to root 800. Root 800 can be written as what? Root 8 into
10 root
10.
8.
Yes or no? 10 root 8. BC
Yes,
is
sir. 10 root 8.
So 10 into 2 root 2. BC is equal to 20 root 2.
Yes, sir.
यही तो होता है.
Yes, I got it.
हाँ. So basically, this is what. Why? Because no, he has given semi isosceles right angle triangle, right? That is the catching point you need to understand here. Guys, I have next class right now. Let's retire now. Please, we'll have in the next class. No problem. Thank you. Goodbye.
Thank you so much, sir.
Bye, sir.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Bye, 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 guys.